Starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming. You don't know which workout plan is right for you, you're confused about diet, and everywhere you look, there's a different opinion. But imagine having a personal fitness coach in your pocket, someone who can design a workout plan just for your body, give you a clean diet structure, explain every exercise, and do it 24/7. Sounds expensive, right? Nope, it's ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you exactly how ChatGPT can help gym beginners and even gym rats plan their transformation journey, from diet to training to staying motivated. Listenerly, when I first started my fitness journey, I didn't know where to begin. I used random YouTube workouts, copied diets that didn't even match my body, and ended up tired, stuck, and demotivated. But here's what changed everything. I started using ChatGPT like a real coach. I gave it my height, weight, and goals, and it built me a clear routine that actually made sense for me. And the best part? I could ask it questions anytime, like a personal trainer that never sleeps.
Step 1. ChatGPT as a personalized planner.
The first way ChatGPT can help is by acting as your personal fitness planner. You can say something like, I'm 25 years old, 5 feet 8 inches, 60 kilograms. I want to build muscle. I can work out 4 times a week. Create a beginner-friendly workout plan for me. And boom, ChatGPT can give you a clear routine. Push, pull, legs, rest exercises, sets and reps, and tips for form and progression. You can even ask it to customize based on your injuries, your equipment, or your time. It adapts like a coach would.
Step 2. ChatGPT as your diet guide.
You can't out-train a bad diet, and that's where most people fall off. ChatGPT can help you build a diet plan based on your goal, whether you want to bulk, cut, or just stay lean. Example prompt: I'm 55 kilograms, want to gain 10 kilograms in 6 months. I eat chicken, eggs, rice, lentils, and peanuts. Create a high-protein, affordable meal plan for me with 4 meals a day. In seconds, you'll get a full daily meal plan, approximate calorie and protein counts, local affordable food suggestions, and alternatives if you don't like certain foods.
You can even ask it for meal prep items, grocery lists, and how to adjust macros if your weight isn't changing.
Step 3. Progress tracking and motivation. The hardest part of any transformation isn't starting. It's staying consistent. ChatGPT can help you set up a weekly progress system. For example, log your workouts, track your weight, ask for plan adjustments if you're stuck, get motivational quotes or tips when your energy drops. You can even ask it, I'm not seeing progress after 4 weeks of training. What should I change? And it'll give you a structured troubleshooting guide just like a real trainer. But here's the secret. If you just type, make me a workout plan, you'll get something generic. If you want results, you need to be specific. Use this prompt formula. Your goal plus your stats plus available time/equipment plus preferred diet or training style. Example: I'm a beginner with dumbbells at home. I can work out 3 times a week for 45 minutes. My goal is lean muscle gain. Create a plan with a diet that includes eggs, rice, and chicken. This kind of clarity gives ChatGPT exactly what it needs to act like a proper coach. Quick bonus tips. Ask ChatGPT to explain how to do exercises with proper form. Ask it to build progressive overload plans so your body doesn't plateau. Use it to plan rest days, mobility work, and recovery. And if English isn't your first language, ask it to explain everything in your own language. You don't need to be an expert to start your body transformation. You just need the right guidance. And ChatGPT can be that guide, 24/7, free, and customized just for you. So the next time you step into the gym or plan your meals, don't overthink it. Just ask. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your fitness goals in the comments. I might build your next workout plan live.